Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter X. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर X का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे। So trace your finger on letter X. Letter X पर उंगली फेरें। Bravo, shabash. The sound of letter X is X, X, X. Letter X की आवाज है X, X, X. Trace letter X with a pencil. Letter X पर पेंसिल फेरें। Shabash. Now we will read keywords from letter X. अब हम letter X से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे। X, X-ray, X, Xmas tree, X, X-ray, X, Xmas tree. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें। शाबाश। Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें। X letter, xylophone.
X letter, xylophone.
X letter, play the tone.
X letter, play the tone.
Circle letter X in the given letters. इन letters में X के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं। शाबाश। Connect X-ray to the doctor with the help of lines. Shabash. Dear teachers, discuss the picture with children and introduce letter X with phonic song. Ask children what they see in the picture. For example, doctor, nurse, X-ray, etc. Advise children not to take any medicine without the supervision of adult. Do role play of doctor and nurse in the classroom. Teach vocabulary as sight words with pictures or play cards. Repeat the words X-ray, xylophone, Xmas tree. Taking care of sick people is a good deed.